Anyway, we're back at it again. Non-consensual towing in the rain. That's what we do. I've got quite a few on this property. They're trying to clean this property up. Manager said they've got a slew of cars that need to be towed, so we're gonna start towing some. Driving a different truck right now while mine's in the shop. This one's fixed too. They've updated the tag on it, so it's not getting towed either. You know, you fix your problem, you don't get towed. That's the way it works. Well, they got the Tesla fixed. That's where it was stickered at. Anyway, the Tesla got fixed. But I believe we're going to roll around here and grab this Honda Odyssey. Well, we got the Odyssey. We're gonna roll now. Go grab a wheel lifter. Pretty sure we can get one on the wheel lift too. Tire up, but I got air. Hey, we're rolling back in over here to grab this RX-8. It's been sitting over here for a while. We're definitely gonna back up and hook it. I don't know what kind of problems we're gonna have, but it's got to get towed anyway. That's just how it goes. We got that one loaded up, man. The rain. It's hard to video these loads when it's raining outside. My lens get covered up with raindrops, and I wound up with poor footage. Anyway, we're gonna steady keep riding. Got a wheel lifter down here I'm gonna go grab. This wheel lift design on this newer truck, I don't know why they changed the old school wheel lift design, except they always try to make something a little bit better. I got news, it's not better. It sucks. I guess Miller Industries came up with this new design. And I'm gonna tell you, man, if you're a tow guy, this design wheel lift right here is a piece of crap. I just know what works out here in the industry, and that right there is a faulty design. Anyway, I'm gonna roll out. Peace. We're rolling back in over here. Every time I pull up to get a car, man, I got somebody in the way. But that thing's wrecked. That car is wrecked. So we're gonna go ahead and tow this little car. We may have some people come out. We might not. But we're gonna find out, I can tell you that. Check it. Of course, we got a car in the way. Every time I back up to one, I got somebody in the way. But we're gonna go back up there and grab this Honda. We might have some problems on it. Wouldn't surprise me at all. Get back to the front office. There's my other Civic right there, parked in a handicap spot. I think that one's on my list. Got a good tag on it, but looks to me like a handicap parking cheater. Yeah, he parked in a handicap spot. Anyway, this the security officer over here that works at night, he probably lives on property, but he's got some handicap parking cheaters he wants to tow. And I'm gonna tell him about that car right there, that wrecked car parked in the handicap spot. I'm gonna tell him about that one, and I'll come over there and yank that car. It's kind of nice to see the look on their face when they come out. They get caught parking in a handicap spot and they come running out like they're in a triathlon. It's kind of hard to deny whether or not you're disabled when you come running out of the house, high stepping it. I don't know what that kid right there said. Some kid said something smart. Most of them do. The younger generation, they don't watch this channel. This thing is 17 to 25. For some reason, the YouTube algorithm's not sending out. Now, there's another one right there. No, he's got a placard. For some reason, the YouTube algorithm's not sending out the 17 to 25-year-olds. That's the people that need to see this content. It might save them from getting towed later on. Because that age group, boy, they get towed heavy. 17 to 25, man. They don't know how to park. Half of them don't know how to drive. they wind up getting towed pretty regular. There ain't no doubt about that. But it is what it is, man. We're gonna sign this out, get to the yard, and probably finish off our day. I got to run some Swanee cards, run some auction cars, and we're gonna get on out of here, man. Anyway, stay tuned. Which one's yours?
The Civic.
Hey, get that number right there.
Why you take my car for?
Because it ain't got no tag. It's got an April tag on it. Is it really yours, or you just playing?
It's mine. I got my key in it. Can I get my key in there?
Hey, you can get whatever you want out of it, man. Yeah. Hey, does it run?
Yeah, it worked perfectly. I was about to sell it yesterday.
Okay. Well,
You can't put it back for me, man?
you can pay it out. If you want to pay it out, it's a $100 drop fee on property. If you want to pay it out, it's up to you.
So I give you $100?
Yeah, but you're gonna have to talk. You're gonna have to talk to the manager, because
I got a restaurant right here across the street.
yeah, you can pay it out.
$100.
You can pay it out here. If I leave the property, it's $175, and that's just the way
It's
the way.
1 minute, bro. 30
I know.
seconds.
It's once I leave the property, I have to. It's $175. The boss gonna ask me where his money's at. I have to charge according to how the law works. If it leaves the property, it's $175. If it's right here, I can do it for $100 right now. But you have to talk to her about leaving it on property.
I'm gonna take it off the property. I ain't got no choice.
Okay, well, you just pay the $100 here, man. Back it up over there, man, and it'll save you $75, man.
All right, I got you. Hold on.
Okay. You can pay cash or card. Hey, if you want to call it in, you call it in on a credit card. She'll take credit card right now. She'll take credit card.
Oh, man.
Hey, just a matter of fact, just sitting here and call it. Hey, she'll let me know. She'll let me know. You gotta pay it, man. You ain't gonna be able to drive off. You gotta.
Money, bro. I'm not
I didn't know. Hey, listen, I just know how people are. People drive off real quick, man.
You gonna take my car to do it?
Just call her. Hey, call that number. She'll take payment right now. I'll call her. Tell her you call her. Name's that her dispatch? Yeah, my dispatch. She'll take payment. I'll call her right now. Hey, you got it. Thanks. I'll drop it. Yeah, I'm gonna roll it down. You should be able to drop it. Just come back easy. That way it don't hang. I'm gonna drop it here, okay. And you can drive off. Just don't come off fast. Well, I don't want to drag it because they're low.
Tell me when to drive off.
Okay, I got you. Go ahead, come back slow. I don't want it to hang. You're good, come on, you're good. Should be good, yeah, it's good, it's gonna come up. Yeah, you're good, man. Hey, y'all, I just paid one out, and he took it off the property. The black Civic, he paid it out. I'm gonna go back here and check this Civic, the tag on it, and I need to, wonder if it's on the list. It's been on the list?
There's a list right here.
Okay.
Each page off?
That one's a silver. Huh? He paid $100, and I told him.
No, but he can't.
Oh, he's gone. He's gone. He left with it. Yeah, he got a restaurant or something down the road, and he took off with it and got it off the property. I told him you can't keep it here, and I just watched him drive off. Okay, let's see here. Black Civic. That was the one I got there. That just paid out, but I don't see. I don't see that silver Civic on the list, but if y'all have tagged him, you got pictures of it, you know it's the right one, I'll go get it right now. That was back, silver Civic backed into a handicap spot.
Okay.
If we can verify it's the right one, I'll tow it right now.
You want his, you want the tag number?
Yeah, give me the tag number. If it's the right tag, I'll load it. If we know it's been stickered, you know what I'm saying, as long as we do it. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's the same one, but it's been wrecked again since the pictures were taken.
That's okay, we done tagged it 11 times, he said. And they keep doing it, so. And they have not come to the office and said anything or showed us anything otherwise, so. He was just over it.
Yeah. Okay, hey, if it's that tags on it, I'll be up here in just a minute. Is that silver or green, do you know?
Silver.
Okay, I'm gonna go grab it. If it's the right one, we'll get it right now. I'll be back in a few. Hey, thank you. Yep. It's very possible that this tag number on that vehicle down here matches. If it matches what they got, pictures they got in the office, if that tag matches, I'm gonna hook that Civic down there. They've been trying to get it. She says it's been sticking about 11 times. Security officer, who's a police officer, has been trying to tow that, get that car towed, trying to get that guy to quit parking in the handicap spot. So this might work out real nice. I'm definitely not going to be cordial with this guy. I don't like people parking in handicap spots. It ain't fair. I'll walk down there and check that tag, see if it's what I got on my phone. ELX268. We're gonna get this one. Hopefully I can get it hooked before he comes out. And I do it by the book, man. So I gotta get one of them wheel lift bars. I gotta get one of them wheel lift bars in the hole to get it hooked. But that's what it is, man. Maybe we can get him. Anyway, stay tuned. We'll see what happens. Got him. Got you. Don't get a whole lot better than that. This is how it goes, man. We yank cars, especially handicap cheaters. Anyway, stay tuned. We're gonna get it to the yard.